Hello friends, welcome to my channel Hima Education Made Easy. In our previous video, we have seen what is Python module, right? Where we can access the things from other files, how to access the file into from another file. So in order to have, we need to have a Python extension file and platform. So here platform, we have seen what is platform and how to access this platform directory. So how many platform directories are having in your system? Those things all can be accessed with the help of directory. This is what I have seen. Now we'll be going with Python date and time. Okay, so a date in Python is not data type of its own, but we can import module named date time to work with the date issues as a date objects. So here, in order to work with date, we need to use import, sorry, date time. Okay, so that we can use it. Okay, so next we are going to see a variable which is of date time dot date time dot now. So in order to see, so this function is helpful for the uh, programmers when this has been created or when this thing to what time it has been created, how the work is going on. These things can be accessed with the help of these things. So here I'm going to go with the print of x. So here what output will it give? We'll see. Okay, if I run it, I'll be able to see that. So here it is 2022 second month 22nd date. This is what the output it has given, and it also has given time with microseconds, right? Okay, when we execute this code from the example, we'll be able to see this as an output. The date contained y hyphen hyphen dd, then followed by time. Okay, this is how we'll be able to see this one. So if you want to access only year, so we need to put a dot after this variable, and then we need to go with year, so that we'll be able to see what year it is. And then, so here we are going to use one more thing called trf time. Okay, function time, in which I'm going to take it in colons, and sorry, here, so in colons I'm going to define, take ampersand and followed by a, so which gives us day. Okay, in order to access day we need to use this thing. Okay, to create a date we can use date time function and class constructor of the date time module. The date time function class requires three parameters in order to create a date, year, month, and day. Okay, so in order to create a date, we need to have three parameters. First one is year, month, and which day. Okay, so here we are going to create a date object. In order to create a date object, we need to define a variable date time dot date time. Twice we need to take it. Okay, we need to remember this one, and then here I'm going to uh, take it as 2020 year, which is of 5th month and which is of 17th date. This is what I want to create. So here if I go with print of x, then I'll be able to see an output like 2020 5:17 at 0 hours 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Okay, so this date time function class also takes parameters from time and time zone, but they are optional and has a default value of 0. Okay, none for time zone. Okay, there is a method called strf time. Okay, so here this one takes parameter of um, one parameter for format to specify the format of the returning string. So here, if we use %b, it will return month name in full version. Okay, so previously we have seen %a. Now we'll go with strf time. In quotations, if we give ampersand capital A, it will return us the day, okay, Sunday. And if we go with %b, it will return us the month name, complete month name, it will return. Okay, similarly, there are several things. So here, if we go with %c, what output will it give? We'll see. That one is 20. Here it will return. Like this, we will be having A, B, C, D, E, F, like that. We'll be having number of things. Depending on the requirement of the thing which we want to access, we can use this one. Okay. With this, we'll be winding up the session. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe.